What is going on, everybody? It's your boy John, and welcome back to Gearbox. So today, if you can't tell already, we have a super exciting video. And honestly, this is really the first time in my quote-unquote YouTube career, and I know I'm not some big YouTuber or anything like that, but really the first big sponsor that has decided to hop on the Gearbox train. And I'm here to tell you today that the newest sponsor of Gearbox, and specifically the one and only Mark V Supra, is our friends at Mishimoto. Yes, I know Mishimoto to me has been a name brand as far as my understanding of cars for forever. Their cooling and, you know, all the oil stuff and everything that Mishimoto does is a top tier product, and I am super excited to work with them through building this car and more cars in the future. Today, specifically, what we have is an air oil separator. We are taking the Mark V over to Thunder Bunny to do the install. I don't have a proper lift, or I guess you could call it, I could theoretically, but I don't enjoy doing sketchy jack stand jobs or anything like that. And the way that the air oil separator is mounted is at the very bottom of the engine bay, so I don't really want to do that. So what we are doing is we are taking this over to Thunder Bunny Racing, our great friends over there. They're going to work on this car. They're also going to replace the spark plugs on this, really just from more of a preventative maintenance standpoint than anything. But once we get the car back, of course, you know, there's not going to be any crazy performance gains or anything like that. But we'll talk a little bit about the benefits of running an air oil separator on the Mark V or on turbo vehicles in general. And we'll get the first official intro into a Mishimoto product on the Mark V. All right, y'all. Well, it is a couple hours later. We just picked the car up from Thunder Bunny, and we are headed home. And then we are heading to my company's Christmas party, or not my company, but company I work for. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, really, if you're not familiar, because I know for a while I didn't quite understand what an air oil separator specifically does. I knew what it was for face value, but I didn't understand the purpose of it. But of course, by the name, it's going to separate air and oil. Now, what we really are concerned about here, and this is, to my understanding, specific to turbo vehicles, and it's even further exacerbated on tuned turbo vehicles running higher PSI and all that type of stuff. But really the name of the game is reducing oil blow-by. What this is oil that is essentially trying to be circulated through your intake system and all that sort of stuff, which then ultimately ends up in the, you know, cylinders and pistons and all of that, which obviously oil in those areas is a no-no. Oil in an engine block, good. Oils in cylinders, bad, right? So what an air oil separator is going to do, or a catch can, which I do believe there are minor differences between the two, but regardless, operate very similar, is we're going to have essentially a gravity-fed system to capture all of that oil blow-by and have it captured in a basically an additional oil can with baffles and this, that, and the other, right? The purpose here, obviously, is number one, not to get oil all in the internals of the engine, but two is that it's still good oil. Like, it's not bad. It's just limiting the threat of having that oil go through the engine. And that's really what Mishimoto parts are all about. Whether it's an air oil separator, whether it's radiators or intercoolers, anything like that, you know, really just making your ride even more stout, more reliable, both from a performance perspective and tracking it and all of that sort of stuff, but even just from a daily driver perspective. If you've been around this channel for a while, you know that I don't necessarily track my car. I would love to, but that is not something that I do day in and day out. This is more of an enthusiast build, a daily driver to some extent, and I just want to make sure that this car, and specifically in this case, this B58, stays as healthy as possible for as long as possible. If I've said it once, I've said it a million times. I am a big preventative maintenance guy. Both from the easiest of easy modifications or maintenance type stuff all the way up to fairly large things as well. Is it the most sexy modification you can do to your car? Is it the most flat? No, absolutely not. But you know what is sexy and flashy is having your car be on the road and be reliable for a long time compared to other modified vehicles that don't take this type of preventative maintenance or preventative modifications seriously. Once again, this still applies on the Mishimoto side to the cooling aspects as well. If you've got a built car and you know, a car that you're driving hard and pushing it to its limits, that's great. But if you don't have the proper cooling in that aspect, overheating your engine is not a good thing, right? So let's go ahead and invest the money into something that's going to keep this car on the road, keep us smiling as we're driving it, and not just spending all your money on all the flashy stuff and the wheels and the side skirts and the this and the that. Sure, those are very important in my opinion, but it's not the end-all be-all modification in my humble opinion. So guys, once again, I want to give a massive shout out to the newest sponsor of Gearbox, being Mishimoto. Thank you guys so much for believing in me, and I cannot wait to continue running Mishimoto parts on this car and many cars to come. If you guys have any needs for any type of products that Mishimoto offers, go to Mishimoto.com, and I promise you they're gonna hook you up. High quality, well-known, and trusted in the automotive industry for years and years and years. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. If you have any questions on the air oil separator that I am running, or have any questions in general regarding Mishimoto products, please drop them in the comment section down below. And as always, guys, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know the drill. Until next time, peace.